Welcome to Knowledge Your Health. I'm excited to share with you a little secret that might just revolutionize your juicing routine. It's not your typical fruit juice. Today we're turning the humble broccoli into a superstar with a dash of basil for an extra kick. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's dive into our green adventure. First up, let's talk ingredients. I've got some fresh broccoli florets here. Yes, the star of our show. Then we have some fragrant basil leaves, crisp cucumber, and a zesty lemon. These aren't just your average ingredients, they're a powerhouse of nutrients waiting to energize your day. Now, onto the fun part. First, we give our veggies a good wash. Health comes first, and we want to make sure everything is clean and ready to go. Next, we chop them up into manageable pieces. Notice the vibrant color of these greens. It's like we're painting with nature's palette. And finally, it's time to juice these beauties. Watch as they transform into a rich green elixir. Isn't that color just mesmerizing? While our juicer does its magic, let's chat about why broccoli juice should be your new go-to drink. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamin C, even more so than oranges. And for those watching their blood sugar, this green gem helps keep those levels in check. Integrating broccoli into your diet could be a game changer for your health. Now for the best part, serving. Let's pour this vibrant juice into a clear glass and garnish it with a basil leaf. Simple, yet elegant. Every sip is not just nourishing, but also refreshes the soul. Ah, that's delightful. If you're looking for a nutritious boost in your afternoon, why not give this broccoli and Basil Delight a try? It's unique, packed with benefits, and trust me, the taste will surprise you. For more healthy tips and tricks, don't forget to visit knowledgeyourhealth.com. This isn't just juice, it's a liquid asset to your health portfolio. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, your body is a temple, and what better way to honor it than with the nourishment it deserves? Check out more at knowledgeyourhealth.com and keep those juices flowing.